pretty positive they moved this hallway here. But, oh, I could be wrong. Slow door. 2003. This is the oldest one in the area. Alright, this is a retake of the elevator at Dick's Sporting Goods at Legacy Village. Door is super slow, but I will say this thing has a really good motor on it. Other than that, it's just a pretty basic 330A. Black one too. Door close does not work. Here's your call button. This used to be a Galyan.